This old Vise belonged to my father-in-law. It has seen better days. It's not looking too good. It used to be red. Let's see what we can do with it today. So I'm taking it apart. I've got a washer on the outside, then a washer, then a spring, then a washer, and then the little clip which is in there squeezes into that hole. Okay. Can't get this to move yet, but it looks better. After way too many weeks, because the paint takes 16 hours to dry, won't use that again, here's where we are. Looking nice. Let's see if we can put it back together. Here it is, the finished product. It moves. I bolted it to the bench. I can't get this to slide, so that's solid. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with that. I'll just quickly whip over here. This is the paint that I used. I don't think I'd use it again. It was just a nuisance trying to 16 hours to dry, so that took ages. And even now, it doesn't seem to take much to chip it, or to scratch it, or to scuff it. So, not a real fan. But on the other hand, the job's done, and it looks better than it did before. So, I suppose I'm happy with that. One thing I have learnt, as I've learnt before, is that there's no such thing as a simple job. Even the simple ones take time.